Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakuras Moments, and on this video we're gonna try to play Warzone on our Xbox Series S console with keyboard and mouse. As we know, Warzone and all Call of Duty games support keyboard and mouse inputs, so if you have another console like PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S like I have here, this should work. Today I'm gonna try it with my Xbox Series S console, and it's actually pretty simple. You have just to insert a keyboard and mouse to any USB port available on your console and open the game. If it's the first time you open the game, you will end up to that screen that will ask you about accessibility settings, and on the top you can select your input device. The game will anyway automatically read that you're moving your mouse or pressing the keyboard, and it will respond to your commands. With WASD or the arrows on the keyboard you can move around, enter to select something and escape to go back. Or easier with the mouse, you can move around with the cursor and select with the left click. From the main menu or anytime during a game you can access the settings and find the keyboard and mouse settings. There you can select again the input device, change the mouse sensitivity and tweak any setting related to your mouse. Next you can check the gameplay settings and of course the key binds, where you can set your keys how you want them. So by having all those setting options, you really understand that this game is really optimized to be played with keyboard and mouse. So let's jump into a game to check it out. I can't say that I'm a good player, but aiming with mouse feels normal like on a PC. Maybe I can play a little bit with my sensitivity and settings to make it better, but as it is, it feels accurate. Many people ask me if there is any lag. Really, I can't feel something, and to me it plays really good. Let's see if I manage to get some kills or to be killed. This was some of the kills I managed to make, rest of the times I just got destroyed. Overall guys, Warzone with keyboard and mouse on the Xbox Series S console played actually pretty good. I was really impressed. The only time I felt a bit of lag, actually it was good lag, when my squad jumped on the helicopter and you could feel that when I was trying to aim it was stuck in a bit. So I don't know why, maybe it's because of the console, it couldn't handle all this. The game, I don't know. Anyway, it was the only time. Other than that, just my skills are pretty laggy and very dusty on this game. Would you consider playing with keyboard and mouse on your Xbox or on another console? If yes, you can check my list of 20 best games that you can enjoy on your Xbox or other console with keyboard and mouse. Check the video right here.